I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
Scared,
yes, I'm scared.
I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down.
Way down.
And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around.
And I know when you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside.
Oh,
In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you.
it's gonna be
You're the
with
one to
you.
pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I'd be a fool to ever let you go.
you're the best thing in my life. Then I know I've got to take it slow. Oh, I know it's gonna be with you.
It's
You're
gonna
the
be
one to
with
pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again.
First of all, cheers para sa mga newlywed. I would like to congratulate you na sa journey nyo. At I really hope na maging happy kayo sa inyong tatahaking buhay bilang mag-asawa. A piece of advice na sana pag dumating yung mga tough times sa inyong dalawa, itry nyo na huwag magsalubong ang init nyo. Pag ang isa mainit siya, try Gia na dagdagan mo pa ang pasensya mo. At ganun din sa'yo, Mark, na ang pinasok nyo yan, hindi na biro-biro. Sabi nila actually, lalagay na daw sa buhay na tahimik. Actually, hindi. Hindi ko naman sinabing magugulo ang buhay mo, pero at least hindi ganun katahimik. Kasi dadating dyan ang mga pagsubok sa inyong dalawa. Diyan kayo susubukin kung gaano nyo talaga kamahal ang isa't isa. I really hope na in times of difficulties, huwag kayong mag-hesitate na tumawag o lumapit sa amin. Kaming ginawa nyo mga ninong at ninang. Sa abot ng aming makakaya or ako, dito ako tutulong sa inyo. Susuporta. Pag may problema kayo, if you needed an advice. At yun lang. I really hope you will be happy. At again guys, cheers. Happy wedding. Love you both.
anak, Mark and Gia. Happy wedding! At last, eto na, tuloy na talaga. Hindi na mapipigilan. Sobrang thankful kami na kaming mga magiging ninong at ninang nyo. Maraming salamat kasi sa dinami-dami ng tao, kami pa yung talagang napili nyo para kunin, para maging pangalawang magulang. Sobrang proud kami, kaming lahat. Tanging masasabi lang namin na sana maging masaya, maging maayos ang pagsasama niyong mag-asawa. At sana kung ano man yung mga nagiging problema, kasi hindi talaga nawawala sa buhay ng mag-asawa yan. Nagkakaroon ng problema, konting bangayan, pero yung mga maliliit na bagay na ganyan na imbis na patulan nyo yung mga problemang dumadating sa inyo, mas piliin nyo na lang mga anak na maging masaya. Kasi mas masarap sa buhay mag-asawa yung masayang nagsasama, na pag-uusapan ng mga problema na dumadating. Kahit pa sabihin natin na yung pagsubok laging nandiyan sa buhay, pero mas masarap sa pakiramdam kung paano nyo mapagtatagumpayan yung pagsubok na dumating sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Pasensya na dahil hindi kami nakarating kasi may malalayo yung pagitan natin. Pero may oras at may tamang araw na magkikita-kita rin tayo. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Congratulations sa inyong mag-asawa, mga anak. Mag-iingat kayong palagi. Mahal namin kayo. God bless you. God bless you.
Hi Mark and Gia, happy wedding both of you. Congratulations on becoming a family. I'm sure that you have a lot of fun together. You are a perfect couple. At sana Mark, maging loyal ka kay Gia, ha?
Happy wedding, kapatid Mark. Best wishes. Congratulations sa inyo. Be strong sa pagpasok nyo sa inyong pagbubuong pamilya. Congratulations ulit, kapatid.
Kala nyo si Brad Pitt, no? Nandito ako para batiin kayo. Congratulations sa inyo and best wishes. God bless.
Hi Besh, Mark, Beshi, hashtag, sana all happy ang love life, sana all ikakasal, sana all may ka-together forever. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, ngayong kakasal ka na, diba? Sabi nga nila, kung gusto mo ng problema, magpakasal ka. So ready ka naman ata siguro sa lahat ng problema sa buhay na darating. Lalong-lalo na pag nag-aasawa ka, Diyos ko, ang daming problema talaga. Pero ang sasabihin ko lang sa'yo, alagaan mo yung asawa mo, tulad ng pag-aalaga mo sa sarili mo, mahalin mo yung asawa mo, tulad ng pagmamahal mo sa magulang mo. Dapat hindi ikaw ang maging dahilan ng kanyang kalungkutan, dapat ikaw ang dahilan ng kanyang kasiyahan. Okay? And mag-iingat ka palagi, kayong dalawa. Congratulations nga pala sa'yo ulit. And we, JVL family, always here for you. Hindi man kami nakakatulong sa ibang bagay, at least, nandito kami karamay mo palagi. Yun lang, we love you. Congratulations!
Hello, Mark and Jaya. Congratulations and best wishes on your wedding day. And today is the beginning of a long, happy life together. The love you share today, only the flow is stronger over the years. The love and beloved in return. Feeling so much joy for the two of you as you join lives in marriage. Love you both, Mark and Jaya, and God bless Ninong Leonard Martinez. Congratulations.
Hi guys, I'm here again. But now I just want to greet or say congratulations to both Mark and Gia to their upcoming wedding. Congratulations. It's a special day for the both of you. Now you're transitioning to a new chapter of your life as a couple. I wish for the both of you to have a happy married life. And God bless you always and bless you with kids, babies soon. And to have more years together as a couple. You know, that's the best thing to have in a married life. Before I end this video, I just want to give advice to the both of you. Since you're going to be a couple, you know, my advice to you is, you know, married life is not a easy thing. It's a lifetime commitment. You need to do things to make things work for the both of you as a couple. To Mark, my advice to you, bro, is give respect to your wife and also treat her as a queen. Try to be the support system of your wife. Like I said a while ago, you know, married life is not easy thing. So if difficult times comes, try to support her always and, you know, give her love that she needs as your wife. Then to Gia, same thing I said same thing with Mark. Try to be the support system of your man or husband, and also give your best to love him as your husband, and also treat him as the king and give him the respect that he needs. And if you do that one, he will return the favor to you. And it will end up for the both of you having the good relationship as a couple. And the most important thing also is to put God in the center. You know, if you have God on the center of your relationship, even if it's on the downside, if you're having problems as a couple, there's no way of both of you will solve it with God. Try to pray always to Him, and then He will do the rest. But also, like I said, love each other. Give respect to each other. That's the best thing that you can do for each other. And that's it. Again, I just want to say congratulations and stay safe, guys. Bye.
Hello, Mark and Gia. Congratulations. Happy wedding sa inyong dalawa and welcome to the world of responsibilities. Kasi ang mundong papasukin nyo ngayon or ang mundong pinasok nyo ngayon ay mundo na punong-puno ng responsibilidad at obligasyon. Kikilos na kayo or magdidesisyon na hindi lang para sa sarili. Bawat gagawin nyo ngayon ay kailangan nyo nang i-consider ang feeling ng bawat isa sa inyo. So, yan ang number 1 adjustment na gagawin nyo or mararanasan nyo bilang mag-asawa. Ang adjustment, hindi lang isang araw, hindi lang 2 linggo or 3 buwan, hindi rin lang 4 na taon. Pwede natin sabihin, it's a lifetime adjustment. Dahil may mga pagkakataon na darating na magkakaroon kayo ng misunderstanding at kailangan may mag-adjust sa isa sa inyo or both of you na kailangan mag-adjust. So, anumang pagsubok ang dumating sa inyo, harapin yung magkasama. At huwag kayo makakalimot tumawag sa nasa itaas dahil siya ang first choice nyo na malalapitan para dumating yung time na may pagsubok sa buhay. May mga ninong at ninang nyo, optional lang kami kung lalapitan nyo or hindi. Pero si God ang number 1 na choice nyo talaga. At sa pagsubok talagang may darating na pagsubok, hindi natin may iwasan yan. Pero anumang pagsubok ang dumating sa inyo, usapan nyo ng maayos nang hindi magtataas ng boses para hindi humantong sa pag-aaway. At isa pa, ang problema dapat hindi manggagaling sa bawat isa sa inyo. I mean, hindi ikaw Mark, hindi rin ikaw Gia, ang dapat pagmulan ng problema. Although may mga problema darating sa buhay nyo, situational, pero we hope and we wish na hindi kayo maging problema sa isa't isa. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. And again, happy wedding and best wishes, Mark and Gia.
Anong ligaya sa tuwing ika'y mamasdan sa piling mo ang gabi, tila araw, ikaw ang pangarap, ikaw lamang.
sa akin ang may kapal, biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya at pag-ibig ko ikaw. Sabihin ko sa bawat oras ng tagpo, ang pag-ikot ng mundo, humingiti ng pusa aking puso, pagkat nasagot na ang tanong, nag-aalala noon, kung may magmamahal sa akin ng tunay. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng kay tagal, ngunit ngayon'y nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay, sa akin ang may kapal,